As a choreographer, I feel this is a wonderful opportunity, and how exciting to be staging the first dance performance at Chelsea. I wanted to do something more than just a dance and tell a story through movement. The piece begins with a male dancer, very much a Gene Kelly type, who captures the interest of the audience and winds his way gracefully through the choreography. He introduces 3 dancers and places them elegantly into an Art Deco statuette pose. This sets the period of the 1920s. The heart of it all is the beautiful carriage, Xena. My idea is based around an upper-class family travelling on the luxurious Orient Express. Passengers are a mixture of characters who, after a long journey, have been given a surprise stop-off at the Chelsea Flower Show. Family is composed of a father and mother, 2 older daughters, and a teenage boy and girl. Having been cooped up on this train for hours, the mood of the children is suddenly bursting with joy and excitement to get off, with an impulse to just go crazy. This emotion is captured in an energetic Charleston duet. Their mood is infectious and influences everyone to have fun, join in and dance to Charleston. This is the closing of the piece. The reprise takes it back to the narrative, and as the passengers return to the carriage, the father and mother continue to soak up the atmosphere, losing themselves in the moment and dancing the Charleston tightly together, finishing in a romantic embrace.
I'm Elisa, I'm Italian, and I came here to study dance. And I'm excited. What got me excited is that we are doing a big thing, and for me it's very different because we are used to come to college and doing classes by classes every day, 6 hours a day, and just push hard every day. And with that, we can feel, we can see what will be next.
The carriage is beautiful, and as I walk through it, I can imagine my idea being transported into the 1920s. There are a couple of concerns that I have at this stage. Where are the decking type steps down from the platform? And where is the stage? Once Tim and I had talked through all the options, and a few sketches later, a clear decision had been made.
Hi, I'm Tommy.
And I'm Harriet, and we're both really looking forward to performing at the Chelsea Flower Show.
This is a very exciting day. The ground area has been cleared and we start to work our way through the choreography and stage the number. The cast get used to the location, time is ticking away, so it's vital that we just crack on.
I'm Raphael.
I'll be playing the mother of the family.
I'm playing the father of the family.
And I'm a bit more uptight. And Raphael here.
I let loose and I get Eleanor to dance with me.
Like old times, tries to coax me into having a good Charleston.
Hi, my name is Zoe. I'm part of Saxy's new A team. We are happy to be creating a variety of 1920s styles for the Italia Conti Academy, performing at the Chelsea Flower Show.
So here's the finished piece. I was delighted with all the hard work from the cast and crew and can't wait to come back and work on the Chelsea Flower Show again next year.
when I wanted to create a total spectacle at the Chelsea Flower Show, I'm a great fan of Noel Coward. I knew his old stage school was Italia Conti Academy, so I rang them up and had a chat. I think they were a bit bemused to start with because they hadn't really understood what Chelsea Flower Show was all about. But it's the world's most prestigious flower show, and it had never had anything approaching what I wanted to do. After 6 or 7 months, Pat Edison and I created a wonderful spectacle. Travellers from the Orient that had arrived at Chelsea Flower Show telling a story. The music was perfect. The dancers, the characters were absolutely fantastic. It totally exceeded my expectations, which is always very high. Working with Contis was fun. Working with Pat was inspiring. And we're looking forward to doing it again next year. I hope they'll be up for that because we certainly are.